Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the Subterra Laptop Bag from Thule. This sleek laptop bag is constructed from a durable and water-resistant 800D nylon to keep all of your goodies protected. You've got that easy carrying handle at the top, and you've also got that removable and adjustable and padded shoulder strap that's going to keep it comfy with that mesh lining to keep it breathable on your shoulder. We've also got this awesome pass-through panel so you can attach it to your upright luggage while you're traveling and manage that weight easier. We've also got hook and loop closured pocket at the back for easy access items against your hip. Moving into that front pocket, you've got the zipper so you can easily access all your goodies where you can store your phone, your keys, pens. You've even got a little key holder here. And on this side, check it out guys, you've got the PowerPocket, which allows you to manage your cords and charge your phone simultaneously. Next pocket up here, we've got the small, super soft fleece-lined pocket to keep your items and they won't get scratched. Moving into that main compartment, we've got the dual access zippers. We're going to open this and allow you to store up to a 15.6-inch laptop with that entirely padded sleeve to make sure it stays safe. And you've also got some additional room in there for some files. Into that next pocket, you can see we've got the dual access zippers as well. And inside here, guys, you've got enough room for your tablet in that slip pocket that's lined so it doesn't go scratching the screen. And you've still got additional room inside. So for all you travelers out there that always gotta have your laptop on you, this bag is gonna be awesome for those commutes. So you gotta go pick it up today from Thule.